This is one prompt. I haven't touched it. Oh, what do we have here? Grok 3, Replit AI, no code. Let's build some 3D demo game today. So I was scrolling X this morning and I came up on this snake test app done in one shot. So we're going to challenge Grok 3 and of course Replit to see if we can recreate this. What's nice is we actually have the prompt. So appreciate Ben Dower. So let's copy this. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So we're going to go into Replit. It's a no code AI tool that I like to use. Definitely one of my favorites. And all we got to do is go create app. We're going to go choose a template. You can also create using an agent. You can import from Git. And we're going to choose a template here. And we're going to do a node.js because we're going to do an HTML file. And then we're just going to call this 3D snake. Then we're going to keep it private just for us. Create app. Really, really simple. Next, we're going to go and copy this prompt. But I want to make this a little better because I don't want to just take this guy's prompt. We've got to do something really, really creative here. So let's try this. We're going to paste that in. But I'm going to say, here is a prompt for a 3D snake game. But I want you to make it better, period. I want you to add some particle explosions, a fading snake tail, make the snake round instead of square, period, and put it inside of a 3D spinning sphere. So think is a different model. It's going to use different type of logic than deep search. I think deep search uses more of the internet to get at sources, and I think actually starts looking at everything like a brain would, like a human would. So we'll see the difference between the two, but this is actually, but this thing is definitely cooking. I don't know what it's thinking about, but it's definitely cooking. Wow. We got something. All right, here we go. So now what we're going to do is we have our code. As you can see, it's all HTML, the whole thing. So now it's really simple. So all you got to do is we're going to copy this, and it says you can save it with an HTML extension. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go into Replit. We already have the node project. We're going to click here. We're going to create add a file. So we're going to call this game HTML, hit enter, and then we're going to paste our code here. And oh, I'm sorry. We're going to go to game.html. We're going to paste our code here, and then here's our agent. So we're going to go to our assistant, and we're going to say launch, and then we're going to go to our file called game.html, and that's it. And now we're going to be able to get this game built. Our Replit agent is going to install all our dependencies. It's going to set up our whole environment. It's going to basically create everything we need in order to run this game that we just created in Grok. So now since that's done, while that's cooking, if you guys have never watched the video on my channel, my name is Marcin AI. I am a no-code AI dev. I make a bunch of different demos. We build SaaS businesses. We have an amazing, thriving community, which I'll show you guys really quick. A little selfless plug here, but we do have an amazing community of 19,048 people. We're about to crack 2,000. So maybe this video will actually crack 2,000. In here, we got designers, creatives, marketers. We do all kinds of different things. The whole goal with this group is to get everybody together, create a no-code army, building together. So give a link. And also, if you want to try any of these tools, definitely try below. And always buy me a cup of coffee. I really, really appreciate it. So while that's going, let's take a look at some of the other amazing demos that people have done. I've seen some. So here, let me do a quick search. Let's go Grok 3 game. So check this out. Grok 3 made this simple 3D game in one shot. So this is the same guy, Ben. I like that. Built this with a 3D single and multiplayer game with Grok 3. Wow, look at this. Okay, so we're definitely entering the era of real gaming. So I definitely need to do a full-blown game. I saw that one. We got Mesh and Cheese. We are definitely living in the new world. We are living in the future. Anybody can do this now. You're no longer needing to be a developer. Look at the shake effect this game has. Pretty insane. Who is this? Let's give this guy a shout out, or lady. Let's see. We got Danny Limancetta. Well done, Danny. He's definitely doing some great stuff. Maybe I'll reach out to Danny and do a little collaboration. And now let's see what the agent is doing. We're going to hit apply all. So now it's going to run the server. It's going to connect everything, and it's going to make sure that everything works as it should in order for us to play this game. So let's see what happens. And with Replit, once this is live, it's one-click deployment. It's the same thing. So if you guys haven't had to play with Replit, it's an absolute savage of a tool. I built a bunch of crazy products with it. I just replicated, literally cloned Spotify and made it better. I think we called it Music XYZ, which was pretty fun. And it's in my previous video if you guys want to check that out. Here we are. Version 1 is done. Now we just got to hit run, and let's see what we got. So drum roll. This is one prompt. I haven't touched it. Oh, what do we have here? Wow. Damn, this is one prompt. So it's a sphere inside of a square, which is totally fine. I wanted to just add one extra thing, and they're playing against each other. So now, this looks great, period. I want you to allow me to be the snake, period. Get rid of one of them. All right, here we go. We got something. Check this out. So now we have full 3D movement. Go up, go down, go forward, go wherever we want. Look at that, inside the 3D square. And this completes the demo. Really simple, really cool. One prompt. I made a couple tweaks as far as the movement because I couldn't get it to work exactly how I wanted. But as you guys can see, it's absolutely insane what you can do with Grok 3. I'm going to continue playing with this. And, you know, thinks code, deep search creates the, I guess, a more complex prompt for you guys. But this should complete it and extra play. And deployment is easy. One click. Auto scale, set up your deployment, and you're done. And you get a link and you can send it out to your friends. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. My name is Marcin. Thank you so much for watching the video. In the next one. In the meantime, if you guys try Replit below, I definitely get a little kickback from them. A little extra coffee doesn't hurt. And I do appreciate it always. And thank you for joining the No Code Army. Let's see how many people joined while we've been on this video, actually. So we have another 7 people, I think, that joined during the making of this video. So again, thank you so much, guys. And I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.